Hello all, he is my student Mahindra and he has learned how to solve a Rubik's cube from me, and today he will be showing you how to solve a cube. Yes, in a simple way. I have taught him the beginner method, so he has learned in just a few days and he will solve and show to everyone. Let's start. So that's it. He has solved the complete cube. So this is the basic of cube. So next he is going to learn some other cubes also. So even if you are interested to learn, you can contact me by giving your comments in the section. So we can also learn in a very simple method. It won't take much time to learn. It's very simple cube to learn. Yes, is it simple or difficult?
Yes sir, it's easy.
It's very easy to learn. Once you learn these cubes, you can learn any other cubes also in a simple way. Okay, and please do like, comment and share this video, and also do subscribe our channel. Bye.